Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe, and today, we are doing something very exciting. We are learning American English through the beautiful world of high fashion. Learning a language through style is amazing because we use these words every single day. If you want to improve your vocabulary and look stylish, you are in the right place. Today's lesson is all about high-end fashion and luxury style. Right now, I am wearing a stunning white shirt from Dior and simple black pants. I love this combination because it looks so effortless and clean. This is the perfect example of the popular old money aesthetic. It is all about quiet luxury, simplicity, and elegance. When we talk about luxury style, we always talk about neutral colors. For those learning English, neutrals are colors like beige, white, black, brown, and navy blue. These colors are wonderful because they always look rich and premium, even if the outfit is simple. By the way, let's check a basic vocabulary word. How do we say ODE in American English? We say clothes. Remember, guys, the letter E is silent. We don't say clothes S, we just say clothes. Now, let's look at some beautiful pieces. Look at this gorgeous blue blazer from Balmain. If a blazer looks amazing on someone, we say, that is a very classy look. This blazer fits my body perfectly. In fashion, when clothes fit your body perfectly, we call that tailored. Tailored clothes look incredibly expensive and high quality. Let's do a quick shopping roleplay so you can practice your English in a store. Imagine you are in a luxury boutique in New York City. You see a beautiful coat and you ask the shop assistant, "Excuse me, how much is this coat?" They smile and say, "It is $500. Then you ask, "Can I try it on?" Remember, try it on means putting the clothes on your body to check the size and style. If you love it, you say, "It fits perfectly, I will take it." Now, let's repeat today's essential fashion words. Repeat after me, guys, and practice your pronunciation. 1. Shirt. 2. Pants. 3. Blazer. 4. Dress. 5. Shoes. 6. Coat. 7. Bag. 8. Watch. 9. Sunglasses. 10. Belt. Time for a quick fashion quiz to see what you remember from today's lesson. Let's go. Question number 1. How do Americans say pantalone? The answer is pants. Question number 2. What color is beige? The answer is B. It is a beautiful neutral color. Question number 3. Fill in the blank. Can I blank this jacket on? The answer is try. Can I try this jacket on? Question number 4. What do we call clothes that fit perfectly? The answer is tailored. Wow, you guys did amazing today. That is a wrap for lesson 1. Drop your quiz score in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more luxury English lessons. Stay stylish, keep practicing, and let's move to lesson 2.